How to draw a goat. Hi all! Are you interested in how to draw a goat? So you've come to the right place. Here in detail and step by step it is shown how to do it cool and easy. You will have fun learning how to draw a goat with easy illustrative steps. Perfect for art teachers and homeschoolers looking to teach how to draw their own goat. Enjoy learning how to draw a goat. Go beyond the lesson. Don't forget to add some creative details. It is officially time to get creative. In this tutorial, we will start with a new piece of paper and discover how to draw a goat illustrative steps. It is best to proportion out the proportions of each of the drawn parts of the goat. Let's color our drawing of a goat. First, use a yellow crayon to color the baby goat's horns. Next, use a pink crayon to shade its nose. Shade the shimmer on its eyes using a white crayon. Color the inner ears using a dark brown crayon. Shade the legs and outer parts of its ears using a brown crayon. Then, color the rest of its body using a white crayon. Finally, add some spots on its body using a brown crayon. That's it. The drawing of the goat is ready. We hope this tutorial was useful and interesting for you. Keep developing your skills and learn to draw more and more shapes and elements based on our instructions. Check out our other instructions as well and draw other things. Thank you so much for your watching video. We wish you every success. Hello everyone! In this drawing lesson, we will teach you how to draw a pig for kids step by step. On our site, there is already a pig drawing lesson, but in a more complex version. After you draw a light pig, you can move on to more complex work. Let's get to know our character a little. Such a pink and cute creature is familiar to absolutely everyone. Usually, pigs can be found on farms. And you can often see how pigs get along well with chickens. They have a rather interesting appearance, a large round penny, small eyes, and a rounded tail. Pigs make rather unusual intermittent sounds, which are called grunts. Pigs are very smart and clean animals, and if they are lying in a puddle, it is only because there is no other suitable reservoir nearby to wash. Basically, the pig has a rounded body shape and there are quite a few additional elements in the external appearance. Everyone can draw a pig. Step-by-step instructions will help you not to get confused and make this drawing as high quality as possible. It is best to work on a drawing with a pencil. And after that, when the sketch is ready, You can color in the pig's drawing with bright pencils or felt-tip pens. Thanks to our tutorials, you will accurately draw a pig with a pencil step by step. Our lessons are simple, so they are suitable for beginners. All you need is paper and a pencil. Thank you so much for your watching my video.